big and pot, gotta come in when I pass too. You got the mic, I ain't the one you wanna pass to. My niggas say my new shit pass due. I pay dues, even got that shit tattooed. High power, run another class too. I know you know we need a few plaques too. The brand new niggas with an attitude. Poppin' content, Timbuktu. I might even sell my new shit for $10 too. Too ill when I jot these words. True ill when I shot the world. I know life's a bitch. When you know life's a bitch and that's not your girl. Cold shit. I'm hot though, like cold get. Absol. This is a shift in paradigm. When I couldn't spare a dime. Now I step.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am...
What we waiting for? Magellan Ave, nigga. Vespucci Beach. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense.
How about you drive?
But only time will tell if I have a...
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike, that S.A. Vagos dude, with the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, all right?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. There's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about
Step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have the required surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dawg.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet, in and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brash, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga. We're gonna do some news.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanking for him, and then he got what was coming, right?
That was different. That dude had it coming.
I don't want to clap my boy Etarian either. I like homie. It's just smacks of the inevitable.
Look, dawg, this time we legit, homie. This honest work is gonna end up with us coming up in the world.
Oh, really? That's a nice change from fools coming up on us.
That's trill, homie.
You damn straight that's trill, partner. But it's a shame I don't believe it. You want to drop some notes on that shit? I'll give you the odds, homie.
You Apache motherfuckers love y'all bets, huh? You should go work on one of them reservation casinos. Only they'll kick your ass off for being a fraudulent imposter, motherfucker.
You and all your little racial stereotypes and shit, I find them offensive. I'm very sensitive to your intolerance, my nigga.
Gang crime is on the rise, and politicians are blaming lack of media coverage and sensationalism. The recent fall in the popularity of gang movies, focusing on both African-American and Hispanic street gangs, has led to a rise in gang violence, experts warned yesterday, as people no longer had movies to warn them of the danger of making bad choices.
Movie mogul Solomon Richards and his struggling Richards Majestic Studios will be reeling today from the news that another historic movie studio, Lowenstein Pictures, has closed and will be turned into luxury condos. Will there soon be nothing left in America but reality TV and property that nobody can afford?
The funding war between IAA and FIB intensifies after Congress promised to slash spending, and both agencies recommend it's the other one.
News. Chris Formage and his fellow Epsilonists were celebrating yesterday after the Supreme Court of the state of San Andreas overturned the Revenue Service's claim that the Epsilon program was a cult and a pyramid scheme and not a real religion, and therefore should have its charitable status repealed. Mr. Formage, who is believed to have amassed a fortune of several $1 billion, wept on the steps of the courthouse.
I'm Carl Kelly. Markets were volatile as the Bossack Index went into free fall and then got hit hard before a late rally had everyone really confused. If you want to understand more, pick up my new book, Mounting Bulls and Riding Bears.
Weasel News.
confirming your prejudices.
1061 Radio Los Radio Los Santos is sizzling.
You know that's the station, that's the bomb, that's the bomb.
Keeping it G ain't nothing. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping. I got the whole block bumping. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping. Nah, you know what this is. Tell them this is celebration, bitches. Where the barbecue pits and the mini bikes, mini skirts in the seas and the Miller Lights, domino tables. Who got big six? Where I'm from, we do concrete backflips, flip fly back. Through the ghettos where I bring hip hop back. Real niggas love me, they tell me keep it pushing. The only niggas speak for Wayside and Central Bookings. County jails and them lockdowns up north. Said I should have it if Scarface passed the torch. That's how they feel, Jack. Look, this more than rap. This that project haircut in a cul-de-sac. This is where Jose front you them quotas at. Meet your quota whenever I put a quote on the track. Nigga, keeping it G ain't nothing. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping. I got the whole block bumping. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping.
From Compton to Baltimore, I'ma kill it. I buy a morgue the minute. The public house, the plastic couch of a Section 8 tenant. The Regal window is tinted. The air conditioner broke, but I'm cool enough to ensure you my ride is an Eskimo, huh? And I peel off in the midst of getting my thrills off, and I thrive off energy from inner cities that we lost, huh? I'm putting together on top of my back, and I live in the back of the jungle. Lions, tigers, bears, oh my. Hear the siren, walk up. Drive-by, shooters, looters, federal fed intruders. Engines on back of scooters. The real can recognize real, and we need to know just who you are. You are in the presence of many presents. Kendrick, the gift for the future, yeah, I said it. Thug life, good kid, mad city, mad respect, representing the hub right.
Keeping it G ain't nothing. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping. I got the whole block bumping. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't gotta like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch a young nigga show his ass I'm pumping. The homegirls tell me I'm the shit. I break them off so they can buy them some outfits. I buy their sons a pack of peppers, some new.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
I'm gonna make this look easy.
Hey!
Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! Work with sample agents?
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga.
Shit, man. Play it cool.
Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This is a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers. You think these tattooed motherfuckers gonna care we got a pink slip? It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it... My powers of deduction is telling me it's right there.
You're right. This country is going down.
Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, so you're trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Oh, come on! Fucking down! Come on down, everybody! Come on down!
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga. Just for luck, homie. Find your bitch ass some cover. Get out, fool! Ayúdame, cabrón. Vamos. Get your fucking head down. Alex, ven, puto. Hey, shit, on your left. Give a brother a hand here, man. Go, move in.
That's it. Nowhere to escape now.
Man, you make a puff look like a G. Reloading. Who wanna get lit up? Vamos por vida. Homie, I need some help.
Fucking animal.
Damn!
Dios mío.
Hit the fuck
You idiot motherfucker.
Nigga, what? Oh, motherfucking asshole!
Puta madre!
These marks don't even know what we here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
Genius, keep your head down. You got nowhere to go now. You give Buster some bad name.
Let him have it,
Watch out, G. I'ma smoke your ass.
Araujo! I'm reloading. Fuck you! Reloading. Fuck you, Ese.
You took the wrong fucking turn, you fucking asshole.
What was your daddy drink? You out. Oh my God!
Go, get in there! A lo bravo!
What you got, big nigga?
Shit!
I've been. Oh shit!
You so trigger happy you will even blast a fucking milkman.
What? Nigga, I don't even like milk. They got me pinned down, shoot that gas can. Man, fuck this. Some more of them niggas. Man, they gonna call my ass if you leave me here. Blast them putos! Just on luck, homie! Find your bitch ass some cover! Fool, I ain't making no friends out here, homie. You'll get PC'd up in the pen. Get your fucking head down! Come on, bitches! What the fuck?
You're fucking dead!
Homie, get down!
Somebody's hit! Ayúdale!
Shit! On your left! Oh, man, you got beat with the others.
Hey, man, down. You need some help.
Ooh, hit the fucking floor!
Yo, Marcos,
Ugly ass bitch! We got to move! Hey, get the cover over there by the truck! Motherfuckers on the scalpel is on me! Shoot up that cannon! Even this shit out, homie! Grab the shotgun! These marks don't even know what we're here for!
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
Follow me, let's get through this. Man, what's a few more of these motherfuckers?
Flipping bricks is easier work, dog.
Up there, to the right. Get out, fool. Appreciate it, Mia. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Fuck this. You's an ugly motherfucker. Check that door. They trying to mash them. You're dead! Man, you make shit! G. Is that car they trying to get out of here? How many they got? Damn!
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
Let's get him, homie. I wanna get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bikes. We need to shoot him off the bike. A couple of scratches better than nothing. Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
Fresh wheels you got there.
Motherfuckers getting away from him.
Because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. Shoot that motherfucker. Homie, you tripping. Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. We want your bike, bitch!
You fucking asshole!
That's the bike we came for. Get that bike back!
You piece of shit like Lord! You fucking asshole!
Shoot him down! Shoot that motherfucker! Time to get that shit up! Oh shit, he down! Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way. All right, I'll see you over there.
Hey, y'all, this is What Would You Do with the Dog Pound. Check this out.
Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me? Let's see if you'll survive 45 times. Like a hollow point headed for your dome. Take a couple steps, turn around in its zone. Couldn't withstand the murderous mental. I subdue and then take two to your temple. When I cause holocaust from what's written, niggas collapsing when the straps is spitting. Look, this is how it's done, nigga. I grab my strap, your best run, nigga. I give a fuck, corrupts the kingpin of the clique. Then it was G with the biggest dick.
Shit, a motherfucker better recognize. With the twist of my wrist like OJ, you won't die. I stack on motherfuckers like a bone. On the beat of shit upon a microphone ever since I was born. Not to ever love a bitch. My game out the game. That's why we are the best. Motherfuckers be gangin' styles minute after minute. But soon as you did it, I smelled the nigga shit. Now what would you do? If you could fuck with me or my crew?
But you can't, so don't even think about stepping in the motherfucking house.
What would you do? If you could fuck with me or my crew?
But you can't, so don't even think about stepping in the motherfucking house.
Bitch, butterfly all day while I steady make my pay every single day in the LBC. Cruising through the east side, me and Lil Style in the back of a green 6-4, bustin' freestyle.
No escape, give me the papers in the tape case. How much money can a nigga make in one place? The review ain't shit new. You stupid motherfuckers can't fuck with my crew.
I see all these niggas trying to get with my kinfolk. Getting so many butters on the West Coast. And to say the least, I see a few trick ass niggas laying low on the East Coast. And the question is asked, do you wanna rap, scratch my blast, cause that nigga dead? I'll be the first one to hit him. Oh yeah, fuck BG knockout and every nigga down with him. Cause I'm a natural born killer, and a still a hat. Motherfucker, cause it's like that. Now what would you do? You can fuck with me on my crew.
It's so many motherfuckers that I can include. Who's quick to blast motherfuckers in a feud? It doesn't make a difference, cause it's about who's the quickest on the draw to end on existence. For instance, let's take these ruthless fools in a pound in one group. Assume it's only for conversation, so let's conversate. Slip a nigga to 38, then dip. Empty out the clip, mind on set trip, cause niggas talk shit.
Now, if a nigga had a prayer before a nigga dies, would the nigga be dead or would he stay alive? And then I was in your shoes, would I survive? Probably not. drop to your knees and picture that nigga dad flowing in the breeze. Now what would you do if you could fuck with me on my crew?
But you can't, so don't even think about stepping in the motherfucking house.
Hey, y'all, we gotta pay some bills. Y'all listen to this bullshit for a minute.
You can't, so don't even think about stepping in my motherfucking house, bitch.
From the twitch of the eyes, you can see the line. Yes,
the pharmaceutical industry is at it again. They don't want you to vote yes on Proposition 208 and legalize medical cocaine. For millions of Americans, it's the medicine that helps them get through the day. A God-given plant strained through gasoline in the jungle by a man with missing teeth. Vote yes on Proposition 208.
Sensitive. Repent and watch and pray. Sensitive.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'ma keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron!
Big homie. I know you running that shit in there, right? Shit, we just gotta build up this family business. When you come home,
the dinner date, let me make that ass shake. And she scratching on my back like it's the sweet steak. With a mistake, tell them hoes I'm sorry. I just came to party, I wasn't trying to hurt nobody. Feeling for you, girl, she just over here relaxing. Over here relaxing, over here relaxing. Blowing up my phone, she just over here relaxing. Over here relaxing, over here relaxing. Looking for you, girl, she just over here relaxing. Over here relaxing, over here relaxing. Blowing up my phone, she just over here relaxing. Over here relaxing, over here relaxing.
Yeah, hopped out of the coupe in a cush cloud follow. On the passenger side is a pretty brown Modo. And all she know is crooked letter T. Plus I keep that cannon on me, I don't mean that 7D. So from this day forward, I put it on my unborn daughter. I'm strip club security, no one is working harder. The kush comes in genres. Trip this nigga ever let us have the opera. Yeah, get right or get left. If she say that loud, then that bitch is just deaf, just deaf. That's probably why she ain't answer her BlackBerry when you call her back to back to back to back to back.
What's happening, playa? I apologize for the smell. Those tacos were a mistake. Go on, treat yourself.